Learn Kannada through English. Kannada learning for beginners. Kannada language learning. In the last episode, we have learned Kannada Varnamala writing in English. Swaragalu, vowels, ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು, consonants. I have uploaded Kannada Kagunita writing in English also. Today we will learn some small sentences, basic sentences in Kannada. So, come means ba in Kannada. Ba. Don't come. Barabeda. Don't come means barabeda. Barabeda. Eat. Eat means tinnu. Tinnu. Don't eat. Tinna beda. For all beda and all, always it's used don't. Don't means beda. Tinna beda. Tinna beda. Drink means kudi. Kudi. Don't drink. Kudi beda. Kudi beda. Run. Odu. Don't run. Oda beda. Swim. Eju. Don't swim. Ija beda. Dance. Kuni. Don't dance. Kuniya beda. Kuniya beda. Go. Hogu. Hogu. Don't go. Hoga beda. Sing. Hadu. Don't sing. Hada beda. Read. Odu. Here read means odu. It's written like this. And run means odu. It's written like da. Odu. Da. That was odu. Do. Yeah. Don't read. Oda beda. Oda beda. Write. Bari. Don't write. Bariya beda. Bari beda also we say bariya beda or bari beda. If you don't want, don't write like that. Bari beda. Play. Adu. Don't play. Ada beda. Ada beda. Give. Kodu. Don't give. Koda beda. ಬೇಡ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe. Let us meet in the next video with some more words, Kannada words and sentences. Until then, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.